In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert DWG to PDF quickly and easily using AutoCAD. Whether you want to share a drawing, send it for review, or simply save a clean copy that anyone can open, converting DWG to PDF is one of the most useful things you can do. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing file you want to convert. Make sure the file is fully opened and ready before you continue, because the export process will use whatever drawing is currently active. Once your DWG file is on screen, go to the command line and type plot, then press enter. This will open the plot dialog box, which is where you control how your drawing will be printed or saved as a PDF. Inside the plot dialog, look for the printer or plotter setting. From that drop-down, choose DWG To PDF.pc3. This tells AutoCAD that instead of sending the drawing to a physical printer, you want to create a PDF file. After that, choose the paper size that matches your drawing or the format you need. Picking the right paper size is important because it affects how the final PDF will look and whether the drawing fits properly on the page. Next, set the plot area. You can usually choose Layout, Extents, or Window depending on what part of the drawing you want to export. If you're working from a Layout tab, Layout is often the best choice. If you want everything visible in the drawing area, Extents may work better. And if you only want a specific section, choose Window and define the exact area manually. After that, adjust the scale as needed. You may want to keep the original scale or set a custom scale depending on how you want the PDF to appear. If you want to double check everything before saving, click Preview. This is optional, but it's a smart step because it lets you see how the PDF will look before you create the file. If the preview looks correct, click OK to continue. AutoCAD will then ask you to choose a file location and name for your PDF. Select the folder where you want to save it, type in a clear file name, and then click Save. AutoCAD will generate the PDF, and just like that, your DWG file is converted. Now, if you prefer a different method, there's also an alternative way to export your drawing as a PDF. Go to the command line, type Export PDF, and press Enter. This opens the export workflow, where you can choose the location and adjust the settings for your file. Once everything looks good, click Save, and AutoCAD will create the PDF for you. And that's it. You now know how to convert DWG to PDF in AutoCAD using both the plot method and the export PDF method. This is a simple workflow, but once you get used to it, it becomes incredibly fast and convenient. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.